I'm still in that same bird enclosure. Found a few more. Really a bad spot. See if I can find out what kind they are. Let me see if I can get a better look at one of them. Okay. A little bit better. Okay, and this is... Can I get the specific name for you? It don't look like any of those. And they don't look like any of those either. Well, I'm not sure what kind of bird they are, but I'll just put it as unknown. If you look at my previous video, you see the signs of all the different kinds. Here's some of them. Then there's some more over there. Alright, bye YouTube. Bye.